we gonna get the tea.
Oh, 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 yeah, oh, oh.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to come on here and give you guys a nice raw opening of this Asteria hair. So before I get started and open this good old box, let me tell you guys a little bit about the order and how the order process went. Ordered this hair Thursday, March 28th, right? It didn't ship until Sunday, March 31st, which is like, okay, that's fine, no big deal, you know, don't really operate on the weekends. I feel you, no problem. And then it arrived today, which is Wednesday, April 3rd, which is not too bad. So about 6 days. And I understand the fact that I ordered it Thursday night, so around like 8 p.m. So I can understand why it took a little bit, you know, long. But if you give yourself a week's time, it'll be there, you know, don't worry about it. Came in this little FedEx packaging. I can feel that the box is beat up. Yo, it's not dusty. And it's kind of like, looks like I've been through a lot. Do you see all that? So I'm gonna open this bad boy up. Let's see what we got. All right, so as you can see, it looks like somebody crushed this box. Like, crushed this box. Okay, all right. And one thing about this review, like, you'll know that it'll be honest because I'm not established YouTuber, you know, I'm not anyone big that, you know, has a following to where they'll make sure I get what I need. And I pay my own money for this. Speaking of payment, how much did I pay? So originally this is $103.72, right? But there's a code. I can't remember what the code is, but I will link it back down below. With the code, it was $97.72 for my little coupon or whatever, because you know we don't buy things full priced out here. So I took it out the thing already. Wow, I'm excited. So this is how it comes with the box all crushed up like this. That's just not appealing to me. This is how it comes. So about the wig, I ordered a 6x6 wig. So not a lace front and not a normal closure, which is usually like a 4x4. The 4x4 is too small. The parting space, I feel like, is like nothing for me. Like, I can't do anything with that. And then I don't like really, really short parts, so it kind of like helped with that. So I got a 6x6, and also my edges / sideburns are like, it does what it wants to do. So the whole frontal situation was not working for me because every time I turn around, my sideburns is flapping up. I don't have time for that, you know? I just want to like leave a little bit out on the sides or put a little bit back. It don't matter. If the wind blow, my edges is there. If not, it is what it is, you know? So I'm kind of over frontals, so I'm looking for something that's kind of like a frontal but not really a frontal, because this whole edges, I can't do this little situation right here. Now we're gonna see how this wig goes, but it's 150% density, 12-inch wig, and a medium-sized cap. And in the box they also give you a wig cap. I've seen some people review this when they've gotten sent the hair, and the box half the time does not come crushed up like that, and they get a wig cap. Yes. Oh, I like how this is dead my color. Check y'all out with the observation, because I did say like a dark lace, but they gave me a dark cap. I don't know, is this lace even dark? I don't know, I don't remember, but however, we'll see, you know, we'll see when it happens. But I've seen people that come and they get like clips in the box with it, and it's all wrapped up all nice like. But I'm giving y'all the real and the raw because, you know, the people who watch these videos are regular consumers. I am a regular consumer, you know, like I'm not getting things sent to me. I'm not getting like promotions and helping them. No, I'm not doing any of that. So it's really important for me to watch things that are actual, like, that's real. I don't want to watch a video and you get the best of the best and then I get something completely different, because I wasted my money. I spent my real money. So no. So when I open it, this is what the wig looks like on the outside. You can see that good old parting space. You see that? You see that size of that? That's really nice. This is what we're working with. So this is the vibes that the hair is giving. So it's pretty soft. It is a natural brown. I think I might have to dye it. Yeah, you're gonna have to get dyed, sis. Sorry. Sorry, but not sorry. This is what it's looking like. This is what it's giving. There's really good movement and the ends look pretty thick. I'll let you guys take a judge for yourself. Let's see. So that's what it's giving. It's not like thick at the ends, but you know, it is what it is. I mean, it's really soft. It doesn't have like a fishy smell, but it does have like a pack hair smell, almost. We'll see. And it's, I mean, it's straight hair, so I'm pretty sure it was processed, even though they said it wasn't processed. But this is inside the cap here. So you see you have the comb on the side here, the comb on the other side, and the comb in the back, as well as the adjustment strap right there. And it is a darker brown, I guess you can say. I am still gonna go in and bleach the knots. It was pre-plucked too, like I peeped that. Sis don't gotta pluck nothing. Yes, you know, they already separated the little baby hairs or whatever. You know, I don't need more than what's out. So the baby hairs are separated, and as you can see, it's pre-plucked, so it's not that dense, heavy, nasty looking line. I really hate those. So this is the front of the wig, and this parting looks like it goes all the way to the very back. So you can see from here, from in the inside, this is where the hairline starts, and it goes all the way to this piece right here, which I think is really cool. The back has a higher density than the front, which I like. I don't like when people pack the lace in the front, because then you go through, you have to rip most of the hair out, and then you just wasted extra money you spent on getting a higher density. Nobody has time for that. So I like how, I know the tracks are in the back, but they made sure not to pack the front with hair, because it's not needed. It's not needed at all. No one looks like that. Walk around looking like a helmet head. Ain't nobody have time. But it looks like it's gonna fit my big old head. I hope, like, my hair is up in a bun right now, but like, I hope it's not like too big, because I hate big wigs. Let's see. If it can reach the back of my head with this bun on. No. It can reach the back of my head with the bun. No. That means it's gonna be way too big. Hi, my name is Bonquanita, and welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video.
No? This me?
Nah, but really, like, why does this, first of all, why does this fit? Not fit, but like, it's touching the back of my head. This wig is all the way at the back of my head. Well, while we're here, I guess we can check for length. So this is what it looks like. I'm cutting it into a bob. Even with my bun, it's really long. But we'll see. I'll go through a whole video where I'll go in and, I dragged it. Why would I do this to myself? It looks nice and shiny, and it has really good luster. That's a big thing with me. If the hair is dull, I don't want it. Like, I know I'm trying to be cheap, because, you know, we're saving our money in 2019, all right? People outside with synthetic wigs on, feel me? So ain't no reason why I can't rock a little cheap virgin, feel me? You know, like, why not? Like, why? So if you can rock a whole Cynthia, sis, you can definitely finesse one of these bad boys. So the only thing that gets me is when you get virgin hair and it looks like you've been washing walls with it. Like, no, okay? I need a little bit of luster. I need a little bit of shine. And I'll let you guys know if it holds up after this good old color. And I'll let you guys know if it holds up after this good old bleach. And I'll let you guys know if it holds up when I go ahead and apply this back. You will be with me for the whole entire journey, okay? I'll link below my favorite bleaching video. How's that for you, you know? I got you down below, okay? I'm also gonna come to you guys with this. This is gonna be a whole series, feel me? A whole series. Like, we're gonna get this wig popping. We're gonna get nice and cute. It's mad blonde pieces in this, all right? Good thing I'm dyeing it. At least, you know, it looked natural if it was just you was leaving the color. But anyway, Before I go in and cut this hair though, I'm gonna put it on my head with a natural length for people who are looking for a wig of this size, you know, like a natural looking, this is my hair wig. We're gonna do that, you know, we're gonna see how that's looking. So after I go in and dye, I'm gonna allow it to dry, and then I'm gonna come and put it on before I go and cut it, so you guys have an idea of how it would look if you wanted to just wear it at its natural length. And then I'll cut it so you know how it will look as a bob as well. This is the wig. This is what it's giving. This is an initial review, okay? Initially, this is my initial thoughts. So I might like it now, but we don't know about later, okay? Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Gonna go get my wig snatched and whatnot. Bye.
Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, oh.